Hello children, in this video we will help you to write an essay on my favorite season, rainy season. There are various seasons that come and go one after the other in India, like summer, winter, autumn, spring and monsoon. Out of all these seasons, my favorite season is monsoon season or the rainy season. The rainy season has a special significance in everyone's life. In India, this season starts in mid-June and lasts till August. For me, it is the most colorful of all the seasons. Rainy season falls after the summer season. Me and my sister wait all year round for rainfall, and when it rains, our eyes sparkle with joy. Rains uplifts our mood quickly and offers the much needed respite from the scorching summer heat. It is welcomed with joy and happiness by everyone. Sometimes the rain is accompanied with lightning and storms. Everyone enjoyed this season a lot as environment becomes so clear, cool and clean because of the fresh air and rainy water. Everything in nature looks refreshing, colorful and fresh on a rainy day. Sometimes after the rain, we can also see a rainbow in the sky, which looks mesmerizing. Plants, trees and grasses become so green and look very attractive. Nature is at its best during this time. Rainy season also brings along lots of my favorite festivals like Raksha Bandhan, 15th August, Tej, Dussehra, etc. It is also a season to enjoy lots of fresh fruits and well-ripe mangoes. My mom cooks a lot of delicious dishes for us while it's raining like pakore, idli, halwa, tea, coffee, sandwich, etc. For me, making paper boats and dancing in the rain is the best part of this season. Rainy season is the time for indoor games, story reading and storytelling. It is also the season for umbrellas, raincoats and waterproofs. The temperature remains pleasant during this season. Rainy season especially holds importance for the farmers as the rain helps the crop grow and bloom. In the times when there is scarcity of water all around, the rainy season has become all the more significant. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.